decided to get a drone to see if I can shoot better footages for travel videos. I got the Contixo F17.
I'm gonna leave the link below.
It cost me less than $200, and I already put the drone together, set it up, paired it with the controller. Now I'm just learning how to fly. I tried flying it in my backyard. Time to turn it on. You gotta press down and hold the on button. But first you gotta turn on the remote control. Calibrate to the right. I'm assuming it's calibrated. Then turn the left stick on all the way down and hold this for 3 seconds.
It's not turning on, guys.
Up and running, baby. And off. Okay.
Ooh, ah! Emergency landing.
Time to go to a park. So now I'm trying to find a park where I can fly it without crashing into everything. This is attempt number 2.
My God. Woo! No! Do it slowly. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
This is hard, man.
Uh-oh. Slowly.
I did a flip, but I wanted.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh, that was better.
This is just to learn how to fly. Imagine actually getting a good footage. Fail number 2300. And the remote is beeping. So the battery on the remote gave up. I can't believe I thought I was gonna do this in my backyard. And the drone is beat up.
So, recommendation for you guys. Buy a
Cheaper one.
cheaper one.
I guarantee you that I'm gonna fly it right now because I have my shades on. This thing is gonna get up in the air. Van Cortlandt Park waterfall, baby. We said we don't have no waterfalls in the Bronx.